Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I'm going to show you my everyday makeup look, my go-to look, using all the products from my Project Pan. I'm doing a Project Pan this year. If you guys missed that video, I'll make sure to link that in the description box and in the card. And let's just dive right in. We're ready to go. So I already used the Hangover Primer right after my skincare, and I just did a few pumps, really trying to use this every day even if I'm not wearing a full face of makeup because it just feels like skincare. And then to try to use up my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, this little guy here, I've been sort of just trying to use both of them as much as possible. So I'm gonna do a few pumps of this. So yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, I created a TikTok account. Oh, good grief. I hope you guys are ready for the for the craziness. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but it's just for fun. What I like about TikTok is that you can share your videos that you create and upload them to Instagram. So it's kind of like, you know, I don't have to like double post, so that's kind of nice. I really enjoy doing the Instagram Reels, which is pretty much just like, you know, doing TikTok. I'll, from now on in my newer videos, I'll put the link in the description box, or at least where you can follow me. Come follow me. All right, so I'm gonna take my AOA Studio mixing plate. If you guys missed my Shop Miss A haul, go check it out. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. They're constantly coming out with so many amazing things. This is their stainless steel mixing plate. So I'm gonna use this today for the first time, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation, 2 or 3 pumps. And I do have to add a little bit of the NYX Pro Foundation Mixer in white. I am almost out of this. I really hope NYX didn't discontinue this. And here's my little ratio. Look at that. I don't want to blind you guys because this is reflective. I'm just going to mix it with the little tool. So I'm testing out this new sponge, the oval sponge from the AOA Studio. I'm really excited to try this out. It's really squishy, but it's flat. I've never used a sponge like this before, and it's super soft. So, we're gonna give this a try. Ooh, oh, I need my new mirror. Where is my new mirror? Oh my god, this sponge is so weird. I feel like this would be good for powders too. Oh god, this is looking really bad. Why is this looking bad? What's going on here? Look how horrible the foundation is. I think it's the sponge. I really do. Yeah. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm going to say this, but I'm going to go take my makeup off. All right. So let's try this again. I'm not putting on any primer, and I still have quite a bit left. So let's, fingers crossed. Okay, that looks amazing. Oh, so much better. Good grief. All right, I'm gonna go in with the 2 concealers that are in my Project Pan as well. The Too Faced Born This Way concealers. And they look like this. So I'm just putting a few dots of this on. And then I'm taking the shade Swan, which is really light. Maybe a little too light. And I don't normally highlight my face like this, but again, trying to use these products up, you know? So I'm taking a little bit of my Jordana continuous almond pencil just to act as my primer today. And I did put a little concealer on my eyelids, just again trying to use it up. So the powder I picked for my Project Pan is the e.l.f. Tone Correcting Powder in Cool, but it is I know why I won't be repurchasing this powder. I think it's discontinued from e.l.f. But as you start to use it and you start to hit pan, which I hit pan, I had to repress it twice. Hopefully you can see here where I repressed it. It looks really ugly now. I don't like it underneath my eyes, so I'm gonna use the e.l.f. High Definition Under Eye Setting Powder. And to prevent creasing, I feel like using my sponge and just loading up the very tip of the sponge with the powder and setting that area, kind of baking but not really. Really press it in there to prevent creasing as much as possible. I'm going to take my BH 124 brush I'm gonna use that e.l.f. powder. You could look, it's already like, even if I'm gently pressing, oh my gosh, I really don't like this powder. You know, I thought this video would be just easy, sit down, show you my everyday look, and it's just turned into a hot mess. So I swear to you, when I do this look, it doesn't look this bad, okay? I'm just having one of those off days. All right, so for bronzer in my project pan, I do have a bronzer. This is the Lunatick Cosmetic Labs Contour Palette Volume 1, and I want to hit pan on this bronzer right here. I just love bronzer so much. I don't know about you guys, but... And it's funny because I don't have that many bronzers, but I wouldn't mind trying more bronzers this year. I would love to try more cream as well. All right, and then for blush, I have the Milani Color Harmony Blush Palette in the shade Pink Play 01. And this is also in my project pan. You guys, you won't believe what happened. I dropped this and it cracked all along the top here. And I had to repress it. I had to Google how to repress a powder product. It's actually really easy. You don't even need rubbing alcohol. Hopefully it'll hold up. I'm not sure if I should like go here. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm afraid to touch that upper part. So I'm just gonna dip my brush right here. I tell you, I'm cursed when it comes to doing project pan. I'm not joking. I feel like I'm always cursed. All right, and then for highlighter, we're gonna use the Mary Luminizer, and that pan, isn't it beautiful? I love seeing that. I definitely wanna use this up this year, and it's really hard because this is so pretty. I'm using my F19 highlighter brush. I'm just gonna swirl my brush in here. I think I can definitely use this up because I've been using this as an eyeshadow, an inner corner highlight. Whoa, that was a lot. We're gonna be beaming from the heavens with that nose. Ooh, Tin Man nose. You know what I've noticed using these products again more consistently is you kind of get a good idea if you still love them or not. And I definitely will say, out of everything, I still love this highlighter and I would definitely repurchase it. So that'd be kind of nice to buy a fresh one. Although there's other highlighters I wouldn't mind trying, you know? Is it How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days where he's an advertiser and they do the whole diamond commercial and she's like, ladies, go and frost yourself. I think about that when I put on my highlighter. Go frost yourself. Oh yeah, I'm frosting those cheeks. Look at that. Look at that. Beaming, beaming, yes. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of the NYX setting spray. I actually ordered this with another powder from NYX. I placed an order with Target and I wanted to get free shipping. So I remember loving this so long ago and I'm not sure how I feel about it. I don't know if I like it, don't like it. All right, for the brows, you know the drill. NYX Tame and Frame, and then I just put a little bit of the clear brow gel from Milani. All right, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Fluffy Eye Blending Brush and take that same bronzer that we used on the face. So I'm just gonna dip my brush in here. So I'm just gonna go through the crease, really blend that out. Nice soft crease color. This is such a pretty eyeshadow. By the way, this palette is intended for the face and the eyes, so you can really use it for anything you want. All right, so to do a little bit more with this eye look, I'm gonna reach for the Balm Cosmetics, the Balm and the Beautiful Episode 1 eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna take the shade Cut. I feel like this is gonna match really nicely. I've been really reaching for either Cut or Makeup Artist because they're both kind of like matte shades, kind of just easy to wear colors. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. blending brush and I'm gonna take the shade Cut. And I'm going to use that to kind of darken up the crease a little. Again, this is more of a softer look, so I'm not going to go too crazy with it. But I want to add a little bit of definition. So just kind of not being too precise, just going in kind of V shape. So kind of like along the lash line and then into the crease like that. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to actually take the shade Makeup Artist because I want to have a little bit of the brown, something that's more brown than like pink, because I feel like that can make you look a little bit tired. So I'm just going to dip my little Milani brush in here all along the lower lash line. I think the contrast of that warm brown, I don't know, it's just been my go-to thing. So for the eyelid, I'm going to take the Amazonian Clay Highlighter in the shade Stunner, also my project pan. Great way to use both highlighters, I find, is to use one of them as an eyeshadow. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of this on my brush, and this makes such a beautiful eyeshadow. Oh, I tell you what. So I'm just going to gently tap that on the lid, and it just gives the most beautiful, look at that, can you see that? Most beautiful shine. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go back in with that fluffy blending brush and just go along the edges just to make sure there's no harsh lines. And even though I'm explaining everything, obviously I can do this look a lot quicker without without filming it. I think for the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna switch back to the Mirror Luminizer. Take the Real Techniques detailer brush, and this again makes such a beautiful shadow. So I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner, and it's just so pretty, you guys. Look at that shine. I love a super bright inner corner highlight. Oh my gosh, the sun is melting all like the ice and stuff, and the snow is melting, and I can hear icicles slamming down to the ground. I'm going to also highlight underneath my brow bone because, I mean, why not? We're going full-blown shiny today. So if I have enough time, I do like to at least go in with an eyeliner. I'm using the one from Too Faced. It's the Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Eyeliner. That's a mouthful. Alright, I decided to do little baby wings. They're not 100% perfect, but again, if I have the time, I always love to do an eyeliner. It depends on my mood. Today, I'm feeling like a little liner today. Alright, I'm going to curl my lashes, and lately I've been doing the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club mascara on the upper lashes, and then the e.l.f. Lash It Out Loud on the bottom lashes. I really like this for the lower lashes because it doesn't seem to like smudge as much, so I like to do a little combo here. So let's put on some mascara. Alright, so while the mascara dries, let's do the lip combo that I have been loving so much. One of my favorite lip liners, you guys know, is the Earth lip liner from BH Cosmetics. Now, this one's almost gone. I have thought about putting this in my project pan actually because it is something I really love. It's just a nice nude lip liner. And then to top it off, I'm so obsessed with these, you guys. The new e.l.f. They're called the Hydrating Core Lip Shines. I did a full video on a whole bunch of new e.l.f. products, so definitely check that out. And I just love it. It has a little heart-shaped core center. It's definitely, it'll probably be in my favorites for February. Alright, I think I'm going to go with these ones from Too Faced. I've been obsessed with these lashes. They're so beautiful, and these look so nice. They're a little bit softer, really good for every day if you're into lashes for every day. This is in the style Natural Flirt. Comes in this really cute heart-shaped box, and these are just really pretty, really natural lashes. So let's pop these on, and then I'm going to show you guys the finished look. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I know we got off to a rough start today. I don't know what's happening, what's going on. But anyways, we got through it. We're here. We're here. And this has just been my favorite go-to look. I absolutely love it. Super glowy highlighter. This lip combo, So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, all the products, all the tools I used today will be linked down below in the description box, so definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what other videos you want to see. Leave a comment down below. We can chat about it. And I think that's everything. Subscribe if you're new. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new videos on Tuesdays and Fridays every week. Follow me on Snapchat. I'm on TikTok now, so make sure to follow me there as well. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate it so much, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!